Okay, this tutorial I will share to you about how to make a multiple connected tower high-rise building in Sketchup. And let's begin the tutorial. First of all, we have to make the basic shape of the triple tower with using rectangle or rotate rectangle. We can use the rotate rectangle first, and we can click from this origin, and we can set the length of this building, maybe around 40 meter, like this. And we can set the depth of this building around 40 meter also. Enter. Okay, then we can triple click this plane and select move, type control and click this point, and we can click to this another position like this, and we can duplicate again which one of this plane. We can select of this plane, select a move, type control, click this point and place to this position, for example. Okay, then now we can make the variative shape or variative outline for the floor plane in this every single tower. We can use the line in here, and we can draw the variative design of the meshing building like this. This is just for example, so you can make more attractive. Okay, then we can use erase to erase some unnecessary line. Okay, and on this position also we can select the line, and we can select for this every single sides in here, just for example. Okay, like this. Then we can erase extra line, and also this one we can draw again about the tower. Okay, and then we can click for every single plane. We can click this plane and push up around 1 meter for the slab thickness. Then we can triple click, right click and make component, create, and then we can push it up again until equal with this elevation like this. Then we can triple click, right click and make component, create, and also we can click this plane and push above, triple click, right click and make component, create. Okay, then we can click for every single, for all of this triple tower like this, and we can also make it group. Okay, then we can select a move, type control, click this position and then place to this position. Then we can move it up. We can set the floor to ceiling around 4 meter like this. Okay, it's just for example. Anyway, then we can click this point, type control, click this position, then we can type x45, enter. Okay, this is about the triple tower, and approximately with this position. And then now we can make the another core building in here. We can make the core building with dimension around a 18 until 15 meter in here like this. Then we can click this one. Okay, then we can push it until the ground floor in here. Okay, then we can push it up. Okay, we can push it this plane around 6 meter above, and triple click, right click, make group, and we can select move, type control, click from this position until this appropriate position. Okay, we can place to this appropriate position. Then we can also adjust for the size of this area in here with using the push pull. It's just for example in here. Okay, then we can duplicate again. You can select a move, type control and place to this any position in here. So you can assign about the structural for the column position in here. Okay, then now we can right click and explode of this top floor. Then we can click this one and make unique, and click this one, make unique also, and make unique. Okay, then we can triple click, and offset it inside around 1 meter. Enter. Then we can click this plane and select edit, copy, exit from the group, edit, paste in place, and we can push it until this position. Okay, then we can triple click, make group, and then we can assign the glass materials in here. Okay, then we can triple click again, and we can delete some unnecessary plane. Okay, again, and we can offset it inside 1 meter. Enter. Okay, then we can click this surface, copy, and paste in place, and push it down till this position. Then we can triple click, make group, and assign the materials. Okay, then we can activate the highrise of model. We can delete the top and bottom surface over there. Then we can triple click again, offset it inside around 1 meter. Then enter. Then we can click the surface, copy, exit from the group, paste in place, and push it till the ground floor. Triple click, make group, assign the materials, and delete some unnecessary plane in here. Okay, then now we can make the connection between the every single tower in here. We can draw the rectangle first. We can draw the rectangle in here, maybe approximately. Okay, then now we can make the flexible space in here like this. Okay, then we can erase the unnecessary plane in here. Right click and erase. Then we can triple click, right click, and erase again. Okay, then we can make the connection for every single tower. This is just for example. In here we can make the connection like this. Okay, then we can make the connection area or circulation in here. Okay, then we can erase, then we can click and push it down. Okay, we can click and push it down until maybe around 20 meter. Enter and triple click and make group. We can click this bottom surface and right click and explode, and we can select move, tap control, and click from this position until this position. Then we can type 3/ and enter. So we can see about the floor to ceiling. This is around 56. Okay, then we can click this one, select the bottom outline, and we can move. And okay, we can move until this position. Okay, and also this one, select the bottom line only, select move, and move till the ground. And also this one, okay, we can select move until the ground. Okay, anyway, we can also adjust this one to make the similar vibes. Okay, then you can select move, tap control. Okay, place to this position like this, and we can also make the another glazing in here. We can use offset inside. Okay, around 500 millimeter. We can click this plane, select edit, copy, edit, paste in place, and push it down. We can triple click and make group. Okay, then we can click this top plane and bottom plane, and continue to connect this every single line in here to this to the another appropriate position. Okay, this is just for example, so you can try to explore to connect this one for this another appropriate position over there. Then you adjust the ground floor area. like this, and then we can select all this tower and move and place to this position. Okay, and it's done. Then you can also click this line, select from this position. Okay, until this position, then you can triple click this line. I'm sorry, you can triple click this line, offset it outside. Okay, around 20 meter approximately. Okay, then we can click this plane and push it down, triple click, make group, and select a move, tap control, place this position. Okay, so this is about the ground floor or drop off area in here, and this is also drop off area. Okay, so you can try to make the another exploration about this tower. You can make the exploration about this tower. You can add more elements. You can assign with the green material over there. You can select move. Okay, you can make the garden in here. You can make the rooftop in here, semi outdoor rooftop, and you can also make the another landscaping in the ground floor here. You can make the plane, and we can draw the another landscaping elements, of course. Okay, we can assign with the landscaping materials, and we can also assign the asphalt materials. Okay, and we can move and duplicate for every single tree. Okay, and it's done. And we can activate the shadow and also activate the white background like this, and also we can assign the shadow like this. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.